Arbitrum could dip 11.8% by July 10, according to 30 rates. First, let's catch up on how the price has moved today. Arbitrum's price is up 13.3% in the last 24 hours, and it's currently at around $0.08638. Let's get into what analysts expect today. CoinDataFlow predicts the price could move up to $0.09408 by July 10, which represents a gain of around 8.2%. Arbitrum is expected to reach $0.0862 per traders union, marking a fall of around 0.8%. CoinCodex highlights it potentially dipping to $0.08389, a fall of approximately 3.5%. A different projection by 30 rates notes Arbitrum could dip to $0.0767, about 11.8% below current value. And to end, Gulf Capital Collector expects the asset at $0.07247 by July 10, 16.6% lower. This is the most profitable prediction reviewed. That covers 5 expert predictions for tomorrow. Now let's move on. Let's explore what each forecast could mean in numbers. Looking across the forecasts from each market expert, the price may shift anywhere between a drop of 16.6% and a rise of 8.2%, depending on the analyst. Overall, Gulf Capital Collector provides the leading forecast with 16.6% lift in value by July 10. Put simply, you could earn between $8 and $166 for every $1,000 you invest. From a volatility standpoint, Traders Union's forecast is the most probable, showing a 93.3% likelihood of being correct. Combining all 5 forecasts, I've prepared a single consensus outlook. Consensus projections indicate Arbitrum could trade near $0.08267 after a 4.9% fall. Alright, let's dig in. Consensus expectations suggest the price could fall 4.9%. Put another way, your capital could also rise by roughly 4.9% along with that shift. On every 1,000, this scenario could mean $49 of upside. So in summary, the probability attached to the consensus outlook for Arbitrum stands close to 64.3%. Let's highlight what analysts predict for the market in the next 3 days. In this forecast, CoinDataFlow describes a rising path. Traders Union highlights a balanced short-term outlook. CoinCodex anticipates Arbitrum falling. Also, 30 rates highlights that Arbitrum could slide lower. Additionally, Gulf Capital Collector indicates that prices could dip further. The consensus stance presents Arbitrum with a clear downward direction. In total, 60% of analysts point to a downward direction for Arbitrum. 2 days ago, 5 sites posted forecasts for the day ahead. That day has already played out, so let's see how they matched. Ultimately, the final price landed near $0.07692. Yesterday's results showed that most predictions were right about the direction. If we judge by accuracy, CoinLore had the strongest forecast. Now let's break it all down. In this case, 2 forecasts landed inside yesterday's move. For ROI performance, some analysts stayed above zero, with the maximum gain at 1%. Now on screen is the overview table, all results at a glance. CoinCodex posted accuracy, 92.6% forecast probability, and 0.8% ROI. Take a second and decide who deserves the top spot today. Let's move on and check how tomorrow's predicted income compares for Arbitrum and other selected assets. At second position is Arbitrum, while Bonk keeps the lead at 5.7%. This comparison covers a small sample of 5 coins, and more forecasts plus extra features are live on my website. If you want to stay ahead of the next big market shift, make sure to subscribe. Have a great day.